सो नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स। आपने अभी रामराजू सर का सुना अपना द विजडम द सेथ मटेरियल पे मैटर। आज हमारा जो विजडम ऑफ सेथ है इसका आज हमारा थर्ड डे है। हमने फिफ्थ से शुरू किया था टीचर्स डे से फ्रेंड्स। तो यहाँ पे आज हमारी इसके साथ ही जो द सेथ मटेरियल है जो हमने पहली पुस्तक ली है वो हमारी समाप्त हो रही है। तो यहाँ मैं इस पुस्तक को समाप्त करने से पहले आप लोगों को एक शेयर करना चाहूंगी। यस फ्रेंड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स ये अगर हम देखते हैं हमारा ये मटेरियल था जो हमने लिया था और जिसकी हमने बात की है। तो इस मटेरियल का एक बार हम लोग आज इसकी पूरी एक रिकैपिंग करने से पहले मैं चाहूंगी कि आप 5 मिनट्स मेडिटेशन हम करते हैं। उसके बाद एक छोटा सा करेंगे, अपना रिकैप करेंगे इस बुक का। सो अपनी फ्रेंड्स अपनी आईज क्लोज कर लेते हैं हम लोग और 5 मिनट का ध्यान, आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस। मैं अपने सभी व्यूअर्स को चाहूंगी कि आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस केवल 2 मिनट के लिए। ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार। जस्ट बी विद योर ब्रेथ, जस्ट बी विद योर ब्रेथ फ्रेंड्स। ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ फ्रेंड्स हम ये ध्यान ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ कर रहे हैं। ब्रह्म ऋषि पितामह पत्री जी को नमन, सेठ को नमन, उन सभी नवीन ऊर्जाओं को नमन जो हमारे भीतर ये विजडम लेकर आ रही हैं। द सेठ विजडम, द विजडम ऑफ सेठ, सेठ ज्ञान मेरे भीतर जा रहा है। आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस। ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार, केवल श्वास ही श्वास। I am a multi-dimensional being. I am creating my own realities. Whatever my today's reality is, the manifestation of my thoughts. जिस वक्त मैं ये समझ लेता हूँ मैं एक नए स्थान पे आ जाता हूँ जहाँ सुंदर रचना है, जहाँ आनंद है, जहाँ प्रेम है। आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस। ना ही मैं तन, ना ही मैं मन, ना ही मैं बुद्धि, मैं इन सबसे परे आत्मा। जिसका दिव्य चक्षु जागृत हो रहा है, जो चीजें समझ रहा है, जो सेठ ज्ञान को ले रहा है। आती हुई श्वास और जाती हुई श्वास। ग्रेटिट्यूड, ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड उन सभी मास्टर्स को जो हमें सेठ ज्ञान दे रहे हैं। हम शुक्रिया करते हैं जहां से हमें ये परम ज्ञान मिल रहा है। हम लेने को तैयार हैं। आती हुई सांस और जाती हुई सांस। केवल चंद पल और। मैं तैयार हूँ उस ज्ञान को लेने के लिए जो सेठ विजय रॉबर्ट्स को दिया। हम भी तैयार हैं उस विजडम को लेने के लिए। ना ही कोई सोच, ना ही कोई विचार। 3, 2, 1, 0। फ्रेंड्स अपने दोनों हाथों को, कोमल हाथों को अपनी आंखों के ऊपर रखेंगे। धीरे धीरे ध्यान से बाहर आएंगे फ्रेंड्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ मैं आपको एक छोटा सा इसका एक रिकैप दिखाना चाहती हूँ। हम लोगों ने जो ये 3 क्लासेस में अपना 5th, 6th और 7th को आप लोगों ने अभी रामराजू सर का भी देखा। दिस इज द सेफ मटेरियल फ्रेंड्स। ये 42 पेजेस की बुक थी फ्रेंड्स, द सेफ मटेरियल। इनकी चंद लाइनें पढ़ते हुए मैं एक छोटे से रिकैप के संग आगे बढ़ूंगी। There is nothing in your exterior experience that you did not originate within yourself. Interactions with others do occur, yet none occur. What you do not attract or draw to you by your thoughts, feelings, attitudes, or emotions. In your terms, this applies both before, during, or after physical life. In a most miraculous fashion, you are given the gift of creating your own experiences. सबसे सुंदर उपहार मिला है कि आप अपने experiences को, ये gift मिला है, आप create कर सकते हैं. In this physical existence, you are learning how to handle the inexhaustible energy that is available to you. So इस तरह से ये friends, ये अपना एक chapter था. फ्रेंड्स, सेकेंड चैप्टर था यू फॉर्म योर ओन रियलिटी, जो हमारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जिसे कहेंगे बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सूत्र आता है, यू आर क्रिएटिंग योर ओन रियलिटीज। इसमें सेठ बता रहे हैं वी आर मल्टी डायमेंशनल बीइंग्स हु इनहैबिट मैनी रिल्म्स एंड हु एग्जिस्ट थ्रू आउट एटर्निटी, डेवलपिंग continually into more creative and fulfilled individuals. The universe is of good intent, evil and destruction do not exist except as a scenario. Evidence of evil in the world appear to our senses in order to let us know the consequences of the belief we hold. जो हमने अपने beliefs को पकड़ के रखा है, but mankind will awaken from that sadness as from a bad dream. ये किस प्रकार से जागेगी, जैसे बुरे सपने के साथ। इस तरह से करके ये हमारा सेफ मटेरियल आगे बढ़ रहा था, जो हमने मास्टर से सुना है, रामराजू सर से। अब ये था अपना द सोल, आत्मा। इसके लिए सेठ ने बताया, हम लोग रिकैपिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो सेठ ने बताया द सोल इज नॉट समथिंग वेटिंग फॉर यू एट डेथ। आपके मरने का इंतजार करेगी, मर जाएंगे आप तब बाहर आएंगे, आप आत्मा है। नॉट is it something you must save or redeem. You cannot lose it. It is indestructible. ना आत्मा मरती है, ना आती है, गलाए ना पानी, ना मृत्यु झिलाए। मैं वही अजर अमर आत्मा, यहाँ बात की जा रही थी। The fulfillment of the soul is not dependent upon arrivals at any points. आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो आपका जन्म हो गया है, spiritual or otherwise. Your own personality, as you know, is that portion of you that you consider most precious, most uniquely you. केवल एक यूनिक हो, आप अलग हो, will never be destroyed. ये कभी भी इसका अंत नहीं होता, अनंत 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 और लॉस्ट ना ये कभी होता। If you maintain a limited concept of the soul, then you cannot take advantage of its many abilities that are your own, and to some extent you cut yourself off from the source of your own being and creativity. The soul's ability will continue to operate, but often in spite of what you believe rather than with your conscious operation. इस तरह से करके ये हमारा सोल का चैप्टर था. हमारा 4th चैप्टर था फ्रेंड कॉन्शियसनेस. सेठ कहते हैं आइडेंटिटी and consciousness existed long before your earth was formed. Consciousness is the force behind matter, and it forms many other realities besides the physical one. So much of your energy is used in the physical productions that you cannot afford to perceive any reality but your own. धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते हुए हमें रामराजू सर ने बताया गुड एंड इविल. अच्छा बुरा क्या है. सेठ you were born with a built-in recognition of your own goodness. You were born with an inner recognition of your rightness in the universe. You are a cooperative, spacious, and a loving one. Your misunderstandings, your crimes, and your atrocities, real as they are seldom committed out of any intent to be evil, but because of severe misinterpretations about the nature of good and the means that can be taken towards its actualization. So इस तरह से गुड बैड का एविल का ये चैप्टर समझा गया. कमेंट्स ऑफ फेथ की किस्मत क्या है, भाग्य क्या है, इसके लिए सेठ ने बताया. नो पीपल often times live through personal disasters, natural disasters in which they are pitted against nature as they know it. Hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, but there are no accidents, friends. So on the other levels, they chose those circumstances, whether they realize it or not, through their conscious beliefs. इस तरह से करके ये था. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा पीस था. Seth ने कहा your civilization is in sad straits, not because you have allowed it spontaneity or fulfillment to individuals, but because you have denied it, and because your institutions are based upon that premise. एक पतली सी 42 पेजेस की किताब, लेकिन एक सेठ विज्ञान का एक आधार बना रही है. द पर्पस ऑफ बीइंग. You are here to aid in the great expansion of consciousness. You are not here to cry about the miseries of the human condition, but to change them when you find them not to your liking through the joy, strength, and vitality that is within you, to create the spirit as faithfully and as beautifully as you can in flesh. इस शरीर में रहते हुए आप अपने ये जो बीइंग है, ये जो 5 तत्वों का जो शरीर है, जो कुछ समय के लिए मिला, इस पर रहते हुए अपनी उस एग्जिस्टेंस को, एक अपने उस परमात्मा तत्व को महसूस कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 9 था कमेंट्स टू दोज विद अ सीरियस इलनेस. सेठ इसमें कहते हैं if you cut your finger it is not accident, if you stub your toe it is not an accident, if you come down with a flu it is not an accident, if you get a virus it is not accident, if you have a chronic physical difficulty it is no accident, if you are creative it is no accident, if you get good news it is no accident, if lovely things happen to you it is no accident either. कुछ भी accident नहीं है. इस चीज को समझाते हुए सेठ ने कहा while such situations or illness are chosen by the personality, the individual is always left to work out of its own situation. अपनी खुद सिचुएशन से बाहर आके वो काम करने के लिए स्वतंत्र है. कंप्लीट रिकवरी, इलनेस और अर्ली डेथ आर नॉट preordained or on the part of the entity for whole self. The general situation is set up in response to deep inner involvements. The problem is a challenge set up by the entity for one of its own personalities, but the outcome is up to the personality involved. One does not choose illness per se for a lifetime situation. पूरे जीवन भर के लिए नहीं. तो इस तरह से कहा. फिर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस बताया था कि व्हाट इज डेथ. देयर इज नो डेथ. इस तरह की चीजों के साथ सेठ ने कहा what you call death is rather a choice to focus in other dimensions and realities. You do not require a split at death. Split की death कभी नहीं होती. You are one now. You adopt a body as a space traveler, wears a space suit. We all are wearing a space suit, and for much the same reasons. Now about the reincarnation. In each life you chose and create your own settings or environments, and in this one you chose your parents and whatever childhood incidents and came within your experience. You wrote the script. You are the writer of your own script. Let a true absent-minded professor like conscious self forgets all these. However, so when tragedy appears in the script, difficulty like a true absent-minded professor, the conscious self forgets all these. However, so when tragedy appears in the script, difficulty or challenges, the consciousness self looks for someone or something to blame. When consciousness split off from itself, the original is not less, but a new synthesis occurs. Such psychological births take place often on in one life, quite escaping your notice. The self is quite able to keep track of its own journey into various realities and times and feels no confusion. तो इस तरह से फ्रेंड्स हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं अपनी बुक की तरफ. यस फ्रेंड्स, सो ये रीइंकार्नेशन का चैप्टर था. रीइंकार्नेशन के बाद आता था ऑल दैट इज. There are answers to some questions that I cannot give you about the origin of all that is, for they are not known anywhere in the system in which we have our existence. All that is में हम आगे बढ़ते हुए इस चीज को और समझेंगे. God is always more than all that is the sum that you cannot find. And for my definition of God, I therefore leave you with that one. For God is a sum that you cannot find, that resides within you, that is more than anything you can discover, that is His creations, and not more than that which is created, within whom infinite rest. The inner self. There is an inner ego and inner self which originates unconscious material as the outer ego manipulates within the physical environment. So the inner ego or self organizes and manipulates within the inner reality. We will lead you gently in the greater areas of your own being. मैं अपने ही तुम्हारे एरिया में एक बड़ी उसमें लेके जा रहा हूँ, in which your seeming contradictions vanish in the light of your own knowledge. You listen to these words that are spoken in English, yet beneath the words rises a knowledge that is inherent in your own being. Let that knowledge then joyfully rise, and when the words that I speak reach you, then will indeed the verbs and the nouns, the vowels and the syllables turn into birds of knowledge that fly out of your own skulls and through the dreams of your night time and transfer your days. Kitna sundar. If I do not more than this, let me be an echo for the energy of your being, own being, and remind you of your ancient and ever new knowledge. Emerge out of the knowledge of yourselves and translate what you know into the world of flesh. Wow. So now the next chapter is about the dreams. Seth, humanity dreams the same dream at once, and you have your master world. The whole construction is like an educational play in which you are producers as well as actors. आप निर्माता भी हो, आप कलाकार भी हो. There is a play within a play within a play. There is a play within a play within a play. There is no end to the within of things. The dreamer dream, and the dreamer within the dream dreams. But the dreams are not meaningless. कोई भी सपना meaningless नहीं है. And the actions within them are significant. The whole self is the observer and the participator in the roles. This is the wisdom of Seth. Dreams can be utilized creatively to improve health, gain inspiration, restore vitality, solve problems, and enrich family relationships. You can have a pleasant and joyful dream that will completely restore your good spirits and vitality. Every dream has a meaning. So now again, it's a long chapter, the dream world has its own reality, its own time, and its own inner organization, as the entity is only partially concerned with its personalities after setting them into motion. So you are unconcerned with this dream world after you have set it into motion, but it exists. ये exist करता है. So now the next, past, present and future. So what the sage says, your idea of space and time is determined by your neurological structure. The camouflage is so craftily executed and created by the inner self that you must be necessarily focus your attention on the physical reality which has been created. आगे बढ़ रहे हैं friends, हम इसके अपने 16 चैप्टर की तरफ जिसका नाम है ईगो. So ego के लिए सेठ कहते हैं the ego is a jealous god and it wants its interest served. It does not want to admit the reality of any dimensions except those within which it feels comfortable and can understand. It was meant to be an aid, but it has been allowed it to become a tyrant. Even so, it is much more resilient and eager to learn than is generally supported. It is not natively as rigid as it seems. Its curiosity can be of great value. So now our next chapter, it is about the blessings. When you breathe yourself for your sins, then you do not realize what joy is. Do you breathe a flower? Do you berate a flower? Okay, it was berate. When you berate yourself for the sins, then you do not realize what joy is. Do you berate a flower that has one crooked stem? So in yourselves, no spontaneity, and in spontaneity you will find joy. Spontaneity has its own discipline. You do not need to enforce discipline upon it. Next, time. In certain terms, science and religions are both dealing with the idea of an objectively created universe. Either God made it or physical matter in some unexplained manner was formed after an initial explosion of energy, and consciousness emerged from that initially dead matter in a way yet to be explained. लॉस ऑफ अ पेट. आपको याद होगा रागिनी जी ने कैट दिखाई थी. Seth, my dear friend, existence is larger than life or death. Life and death are both state of existence. An entity exists whether it is in the state of life or in the state of death. Your cat's consciousness never was independent upon its physical form. Instead, the consciousness was itself choosing the experience of cathood. There was nothing that said this consciousness must be a cat. Unknown reality. Man thought once, historically speaking, that there was but one world. Now he knows differently, but he still clings to the idea of one God, one self, and one body through which to express it. We can express from so many other realities. So, अपना इसमें next chapter था friends, UFOs. Say the strange things about your flying saucers is not that they appear, but they can see them. But you can see them. As science advances on various planes, the inhabitants learn to travel between planes occasionally, while carrying with them the confluent manifestations of their home stations. So this is about UFOs. The future. Human capabilities will be seen as what they are, and a good new period of development will occur in which all concepts of selfhood and reality will be literally seen as primitive superstition, the species will actually move into a new kind of selfhood. एक नई तरह का जन्म. Now the chapter 23 was the Atlantis. Your idea of Atlantis are partially composed of future memories. They are psychic beings towards the ideal civilizations, patterns within the psychic, even as each fetus has within it the picture of its own most ideal fulfillment towards which it grows. Atlantis is land that you want to inhabit, appearing in your literature, your dreams, and your fantasies, serving as an impetus for development. It is the real and valid. In your terms, it is not yet physical fact, but in some ways, it is more real than any physical fact, for it is a psychic blueprint. So this was about the Atlantis. So, yeah. So this was the friends, the end of the book, the Seth material, and the last lines: in what kind of framework, how can I explain an Atlantis? It exists both in your past and future, a probable world that some of you will choose from a model placed in the past of your future, partially based upon fact in your terms, but with its greatest validity lying in its possibilities, Seth. So, so this was, I just want to share with you, friends, this was the Seth material, which was explained to you on 5th, 6th and 7th, 42 pages. और आगे अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक आपसे मिल रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक आपके साथ हम लेकर आ रहे हैं द अननोन रियलिटी पार्ट 1 फ्रॉम रागनी सेल्वराज एंड द कमिंग ऑफ सेथ. द कमिंग ऑफ सेथ विच इज इन 2 नेम्स, यू नो, कहीं इसका ESV नाम से है बुक, और द कमिंग ऑफ सेथ फ्रॉम रविद्वनी आशा गुप्ता जी. सो मैं उन दोनों का स्वागत करते हुए, रागनी जी का और आशा गुप्ता जी का स्वागत करते हुए, अगले हफ्ते के लिए उनको आमंत्रित करते हुए आप सभी व्यूअर से विदा लेना चाहूंगी. फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार, और हम मिलेंगे आपसे. आप हमसे जुड़े रहिए. द वर्ल्ड विमेन स्पिरिचुअल ऑथर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट, हमारे रोज एक अपना आर्टिस्ट और ऑथर आते हैं. कल हमारी श्रृंखला के बीच में आर्टिस्ट हैं अमृता शेरगिल. तो आप बने रहिए पिरामिड लाइट के साथ और अपने सुझाव हमें देते रहिए. उसके लिए आपका स्वागत है. थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्कार.